what's up? Jamie, Shine Guys, welcome back. We're all mobile. We're about to do some details of ceramic coating. Watch, learn, we're out here working.
Oh, get it, bro.
Hey, another thing too, this thing is cheap. If you guys need a good pressure washer that's really, cheap and works great, this Ryobi right here is a couple $100, works amazing. All right, so we've already got them all washed. Now he's just doing some eco wash and they're cleaning every vehicle. And then we're gonna dry them all together and then we're gonna polish them all together, move one by one. This is how we do. All right guys, so we've already washed them all. They're all clayed. Now we're all just gonna dry them all together. And there's just the rope. He's gonna go, we're gonna move all the way over. We'll back them up, blow them out, and then start inspect them, do our coating. So we're completely dry. We're gonna back them up, we're gonna blow them off, and then we're gonna go ahead and start our coating, polishing. All right guys, so we backed them up. They're all ready. Doing a final wipe down. Michael's gonna go ahead and tape them all up, get them all ready at the same time. I'm gonna what I do is I'm just gonna put, towels all over so we just have them. They're ready when everyone needs them. So we're gonna scatter the towels everywhere and then everyone's gonna have their shoulder towel. I'm just gonna inspect the paint, find out where the major issues, these are literally fresh. We're probably gonna get away with probably do a good 2-step on here, good compounding step, and we'll follow up with a nice polish to just make that paint pop, get that clarity on point. Repress compound, that's what we're doing. Cool, so that's gonna be our compounding step. We're gonna follow up with hit all the car, and then we'll follow up with the polishing step. Paint prep, stripping it after you coated it. Kind of use a lot. Don't really cheap out on paint prep. Just let it sit on there and go ahead and wipe off and then get ready to applicate our coating. All right guys, so now we just finished doing the paint correction on every one of these. And now what I'm gonna do is, we already paint prepped it. I'm gonna go ahead and applicate the ceramic coating. We're using Owner's Pride. This has a 7-year coating, ties to the VIN of the vehicle. So if you want it, the gloss on this is insane. The protection on it is insane. We're gonna put it on everything, headlights, plastic, windows, everything.
And this keeps it protected from?
7 years protection, UV, bug etching, acid, or any type of chemical etching. No reason to wax. The bond is insane. Get that deep finish all the time. The cool thing, I like the way this lays. It gives you a little bit of time to do the whole car, so I'll typically do a full panel. You know, a lot of the guys will just do, you know, smaller areas. I'll do a full panel, and then I'll wait, let this sit for a second, go to this next panel. The cool thing about it is just, it's ready to wipe off once it separates. Just applicate everything all over, all the lights.
Are you putting a pretty healthy amount on the pad?
Yeah, so some people will just, you know, are really try to conserve product. Not me. I lay it on thick. Really thick. If you can see how thick I'm laying it on, it comes across in the video. I'm not conserving on anything. I'm just, customers pay for it, I use it all. And then once you look at it right here, once it starts to separate, it's ready to wipe off. Stuff wipes off like a dream too. All right guys, so we're done here. Ceramic coated 3 of these cars, owner's price, 7 years ceramic coating, interior, exterior. We're out here in these streets. Shine guys, like, subscribe, and follow. We're working. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.